Hello everyone! I'm going to show you how I make my triple chocolate cake that is actually baked in a rice cooker or a crock pot. A list of ingredients can be seen in the caption. First thing I'm going to do is add the dry ingredients into a bowl. And I forgot to tell you, it's a one bowl recipe, so it's super easy. Whisk it all together until it's all combined. Now it's time to add the wet ingredients, 2 eggs, gradually add them to the mixture. Now it's time for milk, and afterwards some oil. The batter may seem a little runny, but bear with me, it will be alright. Now it's time for the boiling water, and always give it a good whisk. Now it's time to heat up your crockpot or rice cooker so it will be ready. Oil it up so it wouldn't stick, and gradually and bit by bit add your batter. It will take approximately 15 minutes. It's ready, you can flip it. Always oil it up in between the batches. You can see I put a cloth on top of the lid of the rice cooker. It will help steam the cake so it will become more tender. Second batch is ready, as you can see. The third batch and the last batch is going in. It will give you a 3-layer cake that you can then decorate and Okay, the next batch is ready. Flip it and let it cool down for a couple of hours. Then you can decorate it with a chocolate ganache and hazelnut pieces. Bon appetit!